Let me give you a little trick that I've used. It's not really a trick, but it's just skillful and it works. When you bring up all of this stuff like geopolitics and tariffs and interest rates and ships sideways in the Panama Canal and this and that, right? So now you painted all of this picture of fear and anxiety, and I love it that you did that. One of the little things that I started doing a long time ago that really helped me is I would say, listen, like in that case, listen, I'm not in charge of the federal government. I'm not driving the ships in the Panama Canal, and I can't help you with the geopolitics, okay? It is what it is. Here's where I can help you. A lot of times with solutions like packaging, we can end up clawing back resources, revenue, and time that is being wasted on your geopolitics, your tariffs, your this and that, and redeploy that out to where it matters most, your people and your research and development. So what did I do? Even though I can't help them with those problems, I'm highlighting that those problems are taking away resources, energy, and time, and I can give them resources, energy, and time to basically supplement what they're losing there. So it's a little line that I've used that's really helped, because a lot of times people, and it's really weird, but they can't see the forest through the trees, and they're like, I have so much pain in my foot, I can't stop but only think about the pain in my foot and not realize that, well, wait a minute, if I can take away well, pain's probably not the best euphemism or analogy, but if I can bring you comfort from something else, you can redeploy it to in lieu of where you were losing it in the other places. So it's like we don't have to solve every problem. If we can solve one problem really well, they can use those resources to, and then what that does is it helps them with their negative, gets them to feel a little bit more comfortable about the pain that they're experiencing, and then also you get to start Yep, exactly right, Lena. You can get them to start thinking about, well, what does the future look like? And that sounds like this. Although I can't help you with the politics, although I can't help you with the tariffs, back when we had that ship sideways in the Panama Canal, right? Although I can't help you with that ship in the I'd love to roll down there and turn that sucker around. Apparently it's going to be stuck for a while, right? Although I can't help you with the supply chain in terms of that right now, here's what I can help you with. I can help you with X, Y, Z, and ABC. That's going to give us the resources, the time, energy, and effort to offset everything that's going on in the supply chain. Good news being, right, we can get things pretty close back to where they were before, even despite what's going on, maybe even a little bit better. And then when that corrects itself, that's where we're going to hockey stick to, completely the next level in the business. Does it make sense for me to put together a quote? Now wow, she's going to solve my pain, not by fixing the problem at hand, but by bringing me resources from other areas so that I can, paint over that problem. And that problem is going to go away. And when it does, I still have the additional resources and efficiency from her solving that problem, right? And it's just, that's how we get deals at the elite level, whereas where most people are getting crushed is they're like, I can solve this problem for you. And they're like, I don't have that problem. When really that's not what the client meant. What the client meant was, I'm too focused on this. And that's where you can go, I get it. That's terrible. It's costing you money. It's costing you time. I can't help you with that. Here's what I can do though, right? Here's what I can do. While all that's going on, I can fix this, this, and this. That's going to give us time. That's going to give us revenue. And that's going to give us skillful efficiency. We can use all of that to offset the detriment that's going on with X, Y, Z, and ABC. Does it make sense for me to, and by the way, once that fixes itself, which it's going to eventually, right, now we're in a position where we can really take things to the next level.
You couldn't have said it better.
Thanks. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost. for you to learn how to close.